I'm going to show you how to make pasta salad with feta cheese and of course my bumbu kuning. Let's get cooking. And you need salt, okay? Don't be afraid putting the salt. 2 cups of pasta or macaroni. If in the pasta packet says 10 minutes, so you have to add 2 more minutes, so it's become 12 minutes. So let's mix the salad sauce. What you need, half cup of sliced onion here, sliced red pepper, a shape like this. Yeah, you can chop it or you can do long bar like this. A little bit olive oil on the top, okay? 5-minute broth. This is our bumbu kuning. Take a look at the texture, guys. So all of the real thing is here. So you have candle nut, you have garlic, you have galanga, you have ginger, you have cumin, you have coriander, you have what else here? Turmeric because it's yellow. And it's all fresh ingredient. Take a look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a quarter cup, so we're gonna need 4 of this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, mix it like that. If you want a deeper flavor, you can always add more bumbu kuning. Try. Already tastes so good. Dump all of this here. All of the pasta here. Ta-da. Let's mix it. Okay, so now plating. You can see the color, the vibrant color. Just put the oil on the top. You're done. Take a look at that. This is your healthy salad. Oh my God. Why people don't make salad like this? This is so good. My goodness. Go down to the description below, click the link, and it's gonna take you to our website, and then find the seasoning called bumbu kuning. Then you can try this amazing pasta macaroni salad with feta cheese.